See, you can't even see in there. That's all I got. I know I have enough to finish this, but I don't have enough to do the floor. If I think I do, I'll go ahead and do the floor just to get it out of the way. But I definitely know I don't have enough to do up here in the bottom too. So I'm gonna, ooh, that is a, I don't even know what this is, you guys. Look. Can you see it? Can you see it? What is that? I don't know if you can see it. I have no idea what that is. It's huge, whatever it is. I think it's gone. All right, so you guys have a great day. Thank you, and thank you for coming on. You enjoy your evening. Again, I just wanted to come in here and say hello, but I'm gonna focus on staining the deck. I know I look crazy. I wrap my hair because, as you can see, stain gets everywhere. I wrap my hair so nothing would get on it, and just because I'm talking to you, I have this down, but I've been wearing the mask because the last time that I stained the porch, when I did the lower steps, my head was killing me when I got through. This stuff is strong. It gets in your lungs. We don't need that. So that's why I'm wearing the mask on my ears, just so I can talk to you. Yeah, it does look like some sort of spider, but it's flying. So I'm not really sure what it is. And I think something has bit me because I'm really red here on my arm. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, you guys, and get back in my house. I have a trip tomorrow back to South Carolina to finish recording some mobile home video. I still have 4 or 5 videos that haven't posted yet, but I'd like to start posting more. So there are 5 mobile home dealerships in Lexington, South Carolina, and I've only been to one and only recorded about 4 or 5 of their mobile homes. And I'm hoping that I don't run into going to these different mobile homes and catching the same house. I'm not going to keep recording the same house. I'm hoping that they have different homes to give you guys a variety. A lot of people we're talking about the light. I don't record on my phone. I record on a digital camera, and the light on my phone is just not enough light. I've tried that several times, and I don't think people understand the amount of equipment that you already take to record. So just purchasing a light, and they could be bulky. It's a lot, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Most of the manufactured home dealerships that you go to don't have lights connected in the houses because they're there such a short time. So it's just open for you to view. And when I find one that has lights, I absolutely do turn the lights on, but most manufactured homes don't have the lights on the lot. So we'll see what we can do. I'm taking 3 cameras tomorrow. So I'm going to try to get as much footage as I can. I'm taking my Sony vlog camera, my big Canon camera with all the attachments, and I may even try to get some on my phone, because when it's too dark, the light comes on your phone, but I can't just keep running the battery, nor do I have enough space on my phone for all of that video. I think I have maybe 256 gigabytes on this phone, and you know, one video might be 20 or 30. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes, you guys. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys again in another video. I will be uploading some video tonight. So editing and uploading some video tonight. So you will see some videos coming soon, okay? I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for coming. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.